Hello, my little butterflies. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my fidgets, and yes, I do have more, but some of them are in my backpack for recess. And yeah, and here's a little quick update. My water snake popped yesterday, but my mom's getting me a new one, so thank you, Mom. So yeah, I think we're gonna get started because I don't want to waste you all's time. But first, remember to like, subscribe, and try to get this video to like 100 likes, because I really don't care. Because I do care, because I don't know why. Yeah. First, I'm gonna show you this. My pop tube. It's my favorite one, since I only have two, because I have an orange one somewhere, but it's not really mine. It's Sadie's that she left it here, but yeah, when they had her sleepover. And yeah, that's so loud. Yeah, it's probably my favorite fidget, but I don't like it because it's so loud. So like it's scary because like you don't want to wake anyone up, since like today we're gonna go get my piñata because it's almost my birthday, and I don't want to wake up my sister so she's not cranky. So yeah, I really like it. But it's loud, so I'll give it like a maybe an 8 out of 10. And yes, I do have more of these. I do have more of these Mickey noodles. Again, some of them are in my backpack. These are my favorite. I 100% recommend. But just be careful, since they're rubber like material. So they could break very easily, but I don't think they will because they're supposed to be stretchy. So yeah. But I don't like about them is because if you drop them once, they get all dirty because of how sticky they are. But that's the only thing I don't like about them, so I'll give them a 9 out of 10. Shaggy Needle. I don't know how to explain Shaggy Needles. So, yeah. I love them. They're my favorite. It's just like, I don't know, like, how popular they are anymore. But I will give them a 8 out of 10. Actually, no, I'll give it a 9. Because I love my Shaggy Needles. It's just like, I don't know, they're easy to pop. Sand pets are next. They're called, well, I call them sand pets, but they're called My Little Buddies. Stupid name. But they used to have these all around the stores, but now there's not a lot yet. So yeah, I got a snake, I almost said an iguana, a lizard, a frog, and a alligator. So yeah, these sand pets are super cool. They have so much detail. Except for the little tag, but I don't really care about that. But here they have so much attention to detail. Here they have so much. Even the ears, they look like gumbo ears, but do you see that little pattern in there? And I love the teeth. They're so cute and cool. So yeah, but I'm gonna rate them all different ones because some of these are hard and some of these are super squishy. Some of them are too loose. But this one, I'll rate it a 10 out of 10. Next up, iguana. I love how much detail there is on it. Like, you see the hands. There's even scales on the feet. And the tail, good too. But I don't like it because it's so loose and it's filled with most air. So I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Alligator. Just right. It's like perfect. It's so perfect. It feels so nice. It's so much detail. I love it. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. I mean a 10 out of 10. Last but not least, a frog. My butt. Whatever. Look at that little tongue. Right there. I don't like it because it's really hard, but it's so cute, so I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Because it isn't my favorite still. I miss my water snake. And if you guys didn't hear me, it pops, it poops, and then it pops. I yeeted it and deleted it. I was a little kid in my school. Yeah, he's my crush, whoever said that. But yeah. I got Santa spiky balls, character spiky balls, which is Santa Claus, regular spiky balls, 2 regular spiky balls, and pets. I got a horse, a frog, a dinosaur, and a platypus, and a pig. Where is the pig? This is me just like... I'm sorry, guys. But yeah. I have a pig one. It just felt like I lost it. In my defense, I think I did. Because I lose everything. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. I like the, pets better. Pets, they're way more durable. They'll last you forever because of how stiff they are. And they're supposed to be stiff, not like these where they break off. So I definitely recommend the platypus ones. I meant the animal ones and the character ones because they're so much more stronger. They have stronger materials and they'll last you forever and ever and probably a year that didn't even exist. That's how good and durable these are. So yeah, I only recommend those, so don't get these. You can get them if you want, because I'm not the boss of you, but I definitely recommend those. Mini monkey noodles are nice. I have more. My mom got me these. And yes, I have more. Some of them are in my backpack for school. I love these. They're so much more stretchy. I swear. Like, you can't tell me that's not stretchy. So yeah. But you can't really do much with monkey noodles, even though I love monkey noodles. So I'll give it a 10 out of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So in our next thing, we got this rainbow infinity pad. It's not an infinity cube, it's like a long string. You can do fun shapes, fun things. Honestly, I really think I broke it. Just because I broke off a pad still doesn't mean it's good. This is one that broke. Yes, obviously this was sort of like the DIY. And yeah. But even if it broke, I'm still very thankful for it because I don't want to make my mom get a new one so she can spend the money on herself. So I'm just gonna keep this and hopefully one day I can repair it because it's not like this thing was good DIY. It was like DIY because I bought all the materials to get it. It was super hard to make and I couldn't find this fishing net type of stuff. But yeah, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I mean, a 10 out of 10. It's very nice and I love it. Okay. I'll do 2 more things and we'll call it done because I have too many fidgets I cannot read them all. These mochis. They're my favorite mochis. They're the squishiest mochis. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. No explaining why. 10 out of 10. Fidget spinners. 10. Done. And I still have more in my backpack again. And I'll be rating them in the next video. After school probably. Which will be at 4 o'clock. So be sure to be on YouTube on 4 o'clock. And again, like, subscribe, comment down below if you like any of my fidgets or did you ever DIY one? I DIY'd the crappy one, but I don't want my mom to get me a new one because you can find these at the store, but they're like $15 and I tried to DIY one, but it didn't work out very well. I threw it away, and it was sort of a DIY. I said it because it was sort of a DIY because I tried it, but no, this one's not the DIY one. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below. Comment down below if you like any of my fidgets, and comment down below if you like these fidgets: monkey noodles, pop tubes, fidget spinners, and mini monkey noodles and mochis. Or spiky balls. I don't care if you do spiky balls. Just comment down below what's your favorite fidget. And again, stay sure, stay sweet, and remember, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Again, let's try to get this to 100 likes, because on my other videos I have no likes. Apparently none of you guys like me, but I don't really care, because I'm only trying to make things for you to enjoy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice night, or have a nice day. Have a nice day. And yeah, again, like, and subscribe. And one more time, comment down below if you like monkey noodles, pop tubes, spiky balls, fidget spinners, mochis, and spiky balls and mini monkey noodles. So So yeah, and again, comment down below if you like any of my fidgets, because I just want to know, and I just want your opinion. I don't care. It's your opinion, and you state it. So yeah, bye guys.